What's going on, guys? We're on the water with Riley, and we're gonna get a splash of gas. We've already had some good fun and caught some fish on some spinnerbait and some shaky head worms. You'll see that in a second. But we're gonna get a splash of gas. We're gonna get back to fishing points because something happened today. We got monsoon, like heavy rain. The dam was running 900 almost all day, or 1,000, and they kicked it up to good old 40,000 by 7 o'clock. So we're out here hopping around points, catching fish. That's what we're doing. But that's actually a good opportunity for me to do a shout out to my sponsor. If you guys had this giant monsoon and you noticed a leak in your roof, you definitely need to get a hold of Roof Masters. Give them a call. That's who we hired to use for our roof. And this weather right now, unfortunately, is when you'll find you have a leak. And it's better to prevent that leak now and stop it before it gets worse and you have flood damage, like I see all the time at my work. People having overflowing gutters, leaks in the roof, stuff like that. So get that fixed, get that taken care of, and let's get back to catching some fish. He's on there. There we go. Well, apparently, fellas, all you gotta do is get a backlash, feed it out for about 30 seconds, then reel up, and then he'll be there. So what's that tell you? This little guy was lazy. He didn't want to chase it. Somebody's caught him and ripped his lip open. Look at that. Poor guy. Sorry, buddy. Let's let you go. There he is. That's a better one. He is not a happy fish. Get in the boat. There's a 2 3/4 pounder, maybe 3. I wouldn't say he's quite 3. 2 3/4. Good fish. What you got there, Riley?
Got a bass.
Riley got bass? Hey, that's a 3-pounder.
Taking it on the nose. Got much of a nose left. Ow!
Burn yourself with that line?
No, the spring. I did that the other night.
Let's see that one. Yeah, heck yeah. That's a 2 3/4, 3-pounder right there.
Yeah. Little brownie.
Nice.
Thanks, guys. Tell your friends. Get on Instagram.
All right, see that 125? I'm gonna catch it if I can get my lure in. Okay. Oh, he's chasing it.
Got him. You messed up, dog. You done messed up, hey Ron.
What do you think about that, AA Ron? Don't think about flutter spoon and a spinnerbait.
Right. Well, he's got friends in there too.
Yes, he does.
Get with the worm! Save the worm! In the face.
Got a good one there?
Not really. Unless he decides to turn and run.
Looks like you're fighting pretty good. Nah, small keeper. Another one on the worm.
Taking him right in the nose. Ow! And then in my hand.
Nah, not quite a keeper.
Belly. There you go.
That's a good one. Not a giant, but
Two? Wish I had that on camera, because that was right at my face.
Ninja?
Yes, sir. I can tell you make a crappy rod.
I got that on video.
All on that little guy. That thing snapped like a twig.
Yes, it did.
Well, I'm gonna have to re-rig here.
I think you will. Good news is I brought one of my worm rods if you want to rig up on it. Well, I will let you re-rig. I'm going to enjoy the beautiful sunset, and I'm going to keep catching fish. Good job.
Got my Mickey Mouse pole here. Another short fatty.
Yeah, I'm going to double set on him just to make sure he doesn't go anywhere. As far out as he was. Oh, he wasn't going. Look, he's like, ow!
In the eye.
Nope, just missed it. Barely.
Okay, well. Cast that.
Why?
Do it. Cast it. See
Ah.
how far you can wing it. I mean, just throw it for all she's got. Don't worry about it backlashing. Thanks for the rod. I'm like, there's something tugging on it.
Ah! There goes my worm. Little keeper. That's funny. He must have grabbed it while I handed it to you because there was nothing there. That's fishing gold right there.
You're like, I don't know if I really want to. I got one. What, you take the side plate off? And
Yeah, watch. Side plate off here. And these little brakes, there's tabs. And you pull them out.
Mm-hmm.
Pop it. See how I popped it out? No, there's two out. Well, but you learned something. You probably didn't know that.
I thought it was non-adjustable.
No,
Because
no.
there was no thing on the
Yeah.
side.
Yeah, watch. Now I gotta keep my thumb on.
Oh yeah, that's mucho grande. Much better.
But here, I'll show you how this works. When you cast,
So you got blue and gray.
see that tab right there?
Mhm.
Slings out. That moves your centrifugal force outwards.
Right, so it slows
It slows it down. That looks like a better one.
I'm gonna break your rod too.
If you break that rod, kudos. That's a Falcon Buku. I've never had any problems with it. No.
Don't bite the beaver.
They're munching on the beaver. Little guy. Oh, I should have set the hook as soon as I felt the bite.
I tugged on him a little before I committed.
Yeah, he hit. This one just hit. There we go. There we go. 2 pounder. Maybe. Pound and a quarter. Not quite a keeper. Little guy. Alright, there you have it, guys. It was getting dark. I saw the final fish catch there. Rain started to roll in, so we didn't shoot an exit video, but we had a great time. Caught a couple more fish before we went in, but the storm started to roll in. We had to call it quits, but we were out till about 10:30 and fishing those points, man. We had a really good time throwing shaky head worms at spinnerbait before dark, and just caught a bunch of good fish. You know, no giants, but several 3-pounders, and enough to make a good evening enjoyable, and had a good time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you were able to get out and fish some points today. They shut the dam down at about 9 o'clock this morning. So anyways, it's a great opportunity. And like I said, if you found a leaky roof or you got anything like that, give Roof Masters a call. Let them take care of you and at least check out your roof and get things fixed for you, because nothing's worse than having massive water damage and black mold growing in your house. Anyways, you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you next time.